David, like I'm working on a new project that requires a ball mill for grinding materials. I've been reading some articles, but I'm a little overwhelmed with all the options. Any advice on choosing the right one?
Sure, Maya, choosing a ball mill can be tricky, but it's important to get it right for efficient processing. So the article you mentioned referencing the link is a good start. Sort of like it focuses on grinding media selection, which is crucial.
Exactly. But the mill itself seems like a whole other ball game.
True, let's break it down first. Consider the material you'll be grinding. The article mentioned factors like hardness and size. Your ball mill needs to handle that so effectively.
Yeah, so we'll be grinding a relatively hard ceramic powder with a particle size of around about microns.
Okay, for that kind of material, like a wet grinding ball mill would be ideal. It provides superior control over particle size and reduces dust generation.
Got it. So what about the size and capacity of the mill?
That depends on the volume of material you need to process per batch. So for smaller batches, a laboratory pilot scale mill might suffice. For larger production runs, you'll probably need an industrial grade mill.
We're starting with smaller batches, but we expect production to scale up in the future. So
in that case, a modular ball mill might be a good option. It allows you to increase the grinding chamber size as your needs grow. So
that sounds perfect. So are there any other factors to consider?
Absolutely. Think about the lining material of the mill. It should be resistant to wear and tear from the grinding media and your specific material. So
good point. And the rotation speed and drive system are really important too, right?
Definitely the speed will impact grinding efficiency, and the drive system should be reliable and energy efficient. Don't forget about safety features like emergency shutoff switches and proper ventilation.
This is incredibly helpful, David. I feel so much more confident about choosing the right ball mill. Now, thanks for your insights.
No problem at all, Maya. Remember, after you narrow down your options, like consulting with a reliable ball mill manufacturer is always a good idea. They can offer specific recommendations based on your application.
Current advice, I'll definitely do that. So thanks again.